Okay. Alright, let's open the door. We already did this morning. We got the dogs out, and this is what we saw.
I've never seen this tall before. Okay, so listen, here's
And you don't see
you gotta get that shovel.
the sticks.
Start cleaning off the front porch.
That's a lot of snow.
Clean off the stairs, work your way down. I'll get you over there somehow, okay?
What do you think, guys? Is there a lot of snow? Let's go look at the back. Yeah, that's Brandon snowballing. Come on, let's go look at the back, guys. Let's go check out the back. We got a lot of snow in the back? Come on, Cameron.
What's on the back?
We have a lot of snow in the back. Let's go look. It's already cleaning the floor. What you got there?
Snow.
Oh my goodness, look at all that snow.
That's snow under there.
Let's go. Let's see here.
See here.
Do not open that door. Do not touch. That's a lot of snow. What do you think, guys?
I smell it.
When you can't see the stairs,
Mom, I
that's a
smell
lot of
it.
snow.
Here you go. It's your snow.
Oh, thank you.
You play outside.
Oh.
It's a snow fight.
A lot of snow, huh, Madison? It's almost as tall as you. Are you gonna have fun playing in that later? Yeah.
When it's after lunchtime,
When Daddy's done shopping, and you can get out there safely, because you gotta go out there right now, we won't find you if you fall. That's all
I
we
would
want.
never breathe. My ears are covered.
Yeah.
You would never breathe. Mommy, I want to go outside.
Hi. What's going on? Do you like the snow?
Yeah.
It's taller than you, you know.
Yes.
It's almost as tall as you. I measured it, and it's 38 inches, and you're 40. So it's almost as tall as you. Be a good time when you go outside later, right?
I'm 6'7".
I know, you want to go play. You gotta wait till it gets done. Yeah. You got anything to say?
Eat me, Bunty.
Got anything to say?